Hello. In this video here, gonna show you how you can earn money with Darwinex Zero. If you are a beginning, if you don't have money to start trading, you can start with Darwinex Zero. You know, I think to start trading Darwinex, you have to pay $80 to start, and then it's gonna be 38 euros every single month after that. So just gonna show you, how you can do this. Um, and then on Darwin Zero, you can trade and earn money without risk you own, capital, without risk you own money. So here's the Darwin Zero silver ranking. Now we have this guy here, first place. He's doing 6.83% this month, and then the second one is doing 10.41. And I have, let me see my position here today. I am in this position here at 30, 32. If I type here on my name, so this is the amount that I have under my management right now, 145,000 euros. My max drawdown it's 5.89. I have a return of 22.33% for the last 6 months. On the ranking, I mean up to position today. So out of 7,519 people, I'm position of 32 right now. Um, we have two stages, with Darwinex. The first one is the silver, and then you can get up to one step above the silver, which is the gold. And to be on the gold, you have to make at least 20% of a return, and then your drawdown cannot be 3 times more than your profit. So to be in the gold position, you need to make at least 20%. I already qualify for the gold. The only reason it's that I'm not gonna go there right now, it's because I need at least a month of trading track records. So I think I have like 5 or 6 months. I think I need 2 more months to be on the gold. If I can keep this profit that I make right now. For the past 6 months, I started with Darwinex Zero. I believe was in June. I opened my first account with Darwinex Zero, with a different name, and then on June and July, I think I had like a huge drawdown. I think was 11% drawdown, and then I just reset the account and start this one here. So, but they keep track of those 2 months. But August I have like 2.83 return, September 3.50, October 4.39, November 3.65, December 3.21. Try to maintain this profit 1 to 3%. Try to not force to go crazy on the market, because if I can keep this profit, this return, I can have seed capital allocation every single month. So every single month, let me see here. As you can see, I have 3 straight months of receiving allocation. The total allocation that I have received was 175,000, and now I have 145. It's because the allocation that I receive every month, you just can keep that for up to 3 months, and then after 3 months, the first allocation you're gonna lose that, and then you're gonna receive the new one that you earn. But every 3 months, that is the maximum time that the seed allocation can be under your management. If you can see here, now those days that I make profit, the bad days, as you can see all this. And then you're gonna make 15% of the profit that you make every single month, but they don't pay you every single month. They pay you by quarters. So every 3 months you're gonna get paid 15% of the profit that you generated with the capital allocation. um so this, for the past 5 months that I am with Darwinex, I have a performance fee to be uh it's already my wallet. I just have to transfer this to my bank account. But this is the amount that I earn already with Darwinex Zero, $1,171. And let me see. And the allocation for the next quarter, that is gonna be on March. I already have 481 dollars, just the beginning. So this gonna sum up with all the profit that you make during this three next month. That next good because you don't have to risk you want money. You pay just 38 euros per month, and then if you can make a profit, uh, you can make money. This is just the beginning, but imagine when you have like $5 million under your management. You can make a lot of money with that. Let's go back here and see what else can I show you guys. So this, let me show you the account that I traded down next. uh, so this is all the open trades that I have right now. Yeah, mine's 15,000. That is a bunch of trades that is on the red. But the account, it's increased every single day, so it's good. Yeah, I think they should start pay every single month. We help a lot. Yeah, that's why I decided to reset my account. because 11% drawdown. It's when you get to gold position, doesn't gonna attract a lot of investor because it's a huge drawdown for Darwinex. I What I'm trying to do is keep below. I was trying to keep below 5%, but it's hard. I pass a little bit over 5%, but I'm gonna try myself to not go crazy, like to be above like 7% drawdown. If I can keep below that, that'll be good. And then I'm thinking with that next for long term, maybe 2 years, 3 years from now, if I can have like 5 millions under my management, and then I start make good money. What you have to do is just be patient, do your profits every single month. Doesn't have to be like a huge profit. If you can do like 1 to 3 2% every single month, and it's not too difficult to do that. uh, oh yeah, even if yeah, you're right. How pronounce your name? Horex FX. Yeah, even 1 million would be good, but 1 million, I mean, I want to go above that, because you can get them like right now. I have 145,000, right? And then I have the option to pay to get like another 100,000. So they're gonna put me on maybe 240, 45. If I can get another location, because if I can close all my trades now, I can get another 70,000 allocation. So they're gonna put me on little bit over, if I get the allocation that they offer you, $100,000, 100,000. I want to go over 1 million. I think it would be good, because 1 million, if you can make like 15%, so gonna be 150,000. If you can make 10%, it's gonna be 150,000, and then you can earn like 15,000, right? Yeah, that is not bad. If you can make like $15,000 just by trading without risking one money, no, that is good. And then the other thing that I was doing, that it's not health for anybody to do it, is keep looking those guys that is on top. So like, if if you look at this guy here, he's make like six, almost 7% return this month. And then you can sabotage yourself, because you're gonna risk a lot. You're gonna risk more, and then you may gonna get in a huge drawdown. So what I try to do is not look much about those people here right now that is on top, and just doing my trades, the way that I trade all the time. Now they give the new allocation they give at the end of the month. uh they close the Darwinex Silver on the last trading day of the month, and then your allocation is going to be on the first day, on the first trading day of the month. So let's go back here and see, with this position that I am today, how much I will receive if I can keep that. So as you can see here, it's going to be, if I if I end the month with this return, I will receive another allocation of 75,000 euros. And then my signal my down next signal um get reduced a little bit. I think because I was, risk a little bit, more than I supposed to do it. I start this with every single lot that I was placing was about uh 0.50. Like if I place one full lot on my trade account, and Darwinex gonna copy like 0.50, like half lot. And then because I was risking a little bit more than supposed to do, they reduced to 0.25. Was not just, they didn't reduce from 50 to 25, was decreased, a little bit, like 40, 38, 35, and then now I have like 25. But if I can keep this till the end of the month, I will receive another 75,000. So this month I'm doing almost 3% return. Try to, I already have like almost three. I'm gonna push myself a little bit to see if I can make, 4% return. So on this path, like 5 months, I have placed 664 trades. 76.81% was like a win trades. I trade pretty much all forex pairs, 28, you know, assets. So this is the trade section. Asian set, because I mean, I mean, to when I have time to stay home, I do kind of day trade, but most of my trades are like a swing trades. So and then I just place when I get home at night, and then place all my trades and away, a week or so. So Asian session, it's the section that I trade the most because it's when I have more time to, get in front of the computer. I have placed 519 trades on Asian session, European session 482, and USA session, American session was 292. I don't trade a lot on New York session because I have like a construction business that I have to manage, so I don't have much time to stay home on a New York session. Uh, how much is your drawdown right now? I mean, if they don't like us to say that, but if you have more than, 10% drawdown, I recommend you to just, get another account and start fresh and try to not go over like 5 or 6%. Because if you have like 11, 10, 11% drawdown, if you think when you get to gold, stage, so they're gonna affect you, to get like more investor. 5% is good. You don't have to worry about. 5% is good. I wish I can have like 5% right now. Yeah, just keep doing, try to not go, uh about 5%. Try to keep that, and how much is the return? Okay, yeah, the guy that have 23%, drawdown, it's hard to say, but will be difficult for him to get a good allocation, or in the future. If you think about like 1 or 2 years from now, when the investors see that you have like 23% drawdown, they're gonna be scared of invest money on you. But yeah, you have like 5% drawdown, and your return it's -1%. I think you're good. You don't have to worry about it. Just try to make some profit. Try to get off this -1%, and try to make at least 1 or 2%. By the end of the month, even 1.5 would be good. And then the other thing that you should do it, try to get allocation, even if like 20 25,000 euros. Try to get allocation every single month, because they're gonna increase, your trading power to make a profit. Yeah, that is not a lot of people that is earning money with Darwinex, because Darwinex has been here for like 12 years, but most of us didn't know about Darwinex Zero. We just saw them after all the prop firms start deny payouts, and then we look for something that is gonna be better than prop firms. But there is not a lot of people that is earning money with Darwinex yet. Yeah, just try to do your best. I think you're gonna get it. What kind of trade do you are? You are a scalper or swing trade? Yeah, I stopped trade with prop firms. When they start, then I like a payouts. I say now I have to find something better than this. Um, and in my opinion, this is much better than the prop firms as well. So I'll keep trade Darwinex for years to come. Yeah, that is people on the go that have a lot of money under the management. I saw one guy that have like 28 million dollars. It's a lot of money. If they can make like one, maybe gonna go there in a little bit to see if you can find him. Imagine if you can make like 3%, a month. You can earn a lot of performance fee with that. So you are like a mix, right? Day trade and swing trades. It's good. It's the same thing that I trade. Sometimes I hold for a day or a week. Like on this, let me show you here. Um, so USD JPY, right? Let me put it here on the weekly. I'm on the sell position this trade here, but I opened this trade long time ago. So there was October of 2024. See, and I'm still hold that. Um, but I already make a lot of profit with USD JPY because when the market came down, like right here, I place like three lots, and then the market went up, and I closed the profit and hold the trade that was negative. So but I'm hold a lot. Sometimes I have some position that I'm in hold for like 6 months. I don't have any problem to hold that. Um, the other one that I am pretty heavy right now is the Euro CHF. I make a lot of profit with this. Let me see. 300, 200, almost 300, 200, 700 loss, 200 profit, 900 profit, 300, Euro GBP, 2000, Euro GBP, another 800, Euro GBP, another 900, Euro CHF, 400, 600, 200. GBP USD, 900. That was like yesterday or Friday. AUD USD, $790. Oh yeah, now there's a lot of trade that I lose. It's a lot. But my win rate is about 7.73%. I use this. I The way that I trade is supply and demand, but I use this kind of indicators that will help me with get in and get out, of trades. And the other thing that I use is this. I use Fibonacci and supply and demand combined, like yesterday, right? I placed trade on GBP USD, and then I make like $1,000 profit because the market was on the daily time frame was on this upswing, and the market broke the trend line, came back and test the 86% retracement of Fibonacci, and then combine with supply and demand, and I place a trade here, hold a little bit, make profit and get out. If the market return a little bit more, I'm gonna place another buy trade, but the market have to come down. Let me see. I think I placed another trade on GBP USD. Yeah, see it? Just a little bit ago. Uh, and what I can do, because it's like a kind of scalping today. I can close this trade and wait for another one. GBP USD 400, so I can close that. I can close that, and then if the market return, I'll place another trade. Uh, Even if Euro CHF, I'm gonna weigh on that a little bit more. And then if you can do like this small, profit, gonna increase your daily returns. Like 0.1, and then you can close another trade, another 0.2, and then you get you like a 1%, maybe 2%. So if the market return, you're gonna place another trade, return a little bit more. This is the daily 4 hour. It's on demand zone. I don't do anything else. I mean, if you take a look on the weekly, the market's it's bearish, but if you pay more attention, you're gonna see that the market's oscillating between these two horizontal lines. So on the large time frame, the market's sideways, but on a bearish trend. So the market's supposed to go, to the south side, and then you have like a profit target here at $1. But this, like it's gonna be years to come, maybe 2026, 27. We know that this market would like to come down here, but right now weekly it's sideways, and then the daily it's bearish. Now the daily's up, and then H4 it's bearish. So in this, situation here, just prefer to buy because of the daily. I like to see the trend on the weekly, but I don't try to think anything of trading on the week time frame. I focus more on the daily and 4 hours. So 4 hours it's bearish, and then the daily it's up. In this case, I prefer to buy because the market already retraced to my levels here. So let's see if the market come back, come back down a little bit more. I might gonna place another trade. So um USD JPY. So if you take a look on weekly, we are in the supply zone right now. The trend is up. The market retraced to almost 61% Fibo, and the market went up again, and it's forcing to break this supply zone. The market reject a little bit, and then it's forcing to go up right now. Let's see. I have a sell position. Let's see how this gonna play out. I'm gonna hold. That is this. supplies on here. Let's see if this is gonna hold. Let's go back here with Darwinex. See what else can I show you. Let me see if I am correlated to any other traders. Nope, I have no correlation to anybody. So this guy here, GFL, what is it? There's a little bit correlation between me and him, but not a lot. You see, he's down here and I am on top of here. So this guy here was making a lot of profit, but today he's not doing too good. Let's see. This guy was make like 1%, 1.5% every single day. So today he's losing about almost 2% today. He's losing. I think this guy trade he's not forex trade. I think he's futures, I believe. But he's very good. He's a good trader. He's making profits every single day. He have 265,000 euros allocation. Let me see how many months. So he start with Darwinex in November. He's make 5.48 November and 20% return in December. So it's a lot. It's a lot of profit. Yeah, he's gonna be here in silver, for at least six more months before he goes to gold. But he's good. He's a good trader. Five, another 20. Today he's losing a little bit, but it's normal. Yeah, I use MetaTrade 4, but I don't place a lot of trades, over MetaTrade 4. All my trades placed on this platform here, and then I have like a copying trade that copy all my trades to the MetaTrade 4 and MetaTrade 5 accounts. So daily, sideways, see US 30, US 30, S&P 500. So it's moving lower. Market broke trend line, retest the backside of trend line. It's making lower low right now. Let's take a look here on the Euro USD. I have a buy trade. So yeah, this is the way that I use Darwinex, for trade. If you are beginning, if you want to start, with Darwinex Zero, I think it's good. If you think more long term, uh, it's gonna be good. If you think that way, short term, it's impossible to make money because the payments, the payouts, it's every 3 months, and then you have to get allocation every single month, and then try to sum up, to have like a big, capital allocation. So if you try to make like money quick, Darwinex Zero will not be a good option for you. But if you're not on a rush, and then if you think this is gonna be like a good fee for you, over like 1 year, maybe 2 years from now, I think that Darwinex Zero is gonna be your best bet. Um, and yeah, this is the profit that I have earned with Darwinex, almost 1200, 1171, with just like I had like 130,000 location, and then I receive another location like beginning of this month. So you're gonna increase, every single month. Every time that you get a location, you're gonna sum with the old ones, and then the location that you receive like this month, you're gonna keep that for 3 months, and then you're gonna lose, and you're gonna keep track of the new ones that you're coming in. Yeah, but it's good. I just want to show you guys how I trade with Darwinex, how place my trades, and I hope you guys like the video. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And have if you have any question, just leave there on the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys on the next video.